Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dennis, and today we're going to take a look at putting film in the Ikonta 524/2. It is a 6x9 camera, and it takes 120 film. And with it being 6x9, you get 8 shots on a roll of film, being a 6x9. Whereas a 120 film in a isolate is a 6x6, you get 12 shots. But with this one, you only get 8. But it's nice sized pictures, and they're great for panorama. We've already went over basically how to use the Ikonta, so today we're just putting film in it. I'm going to put some Ilford Delta 100. This is actually expired film. It actually expired January of 2013, but it's black and white film, so I should not have any problem getting quality black and white pictures from it. I have used it in the past and not had any problems. So let's get to putting the film in. And even with black and white, this really hasn't been refrigerated, and with black and white film, it's not really that big of a necessity to refrigerate it or freeze it like colored film. So the black and white film is a lot more durable and takes a lot more punishment as far as storage. Okay, to open up the back, we push this button up. Pops open. Now we've got to put the transfer reel over to the left. Now something a little bit different with this camera is you pull these tabs at the bottom, and it's got a little spring on them on both sides, whereas some of the others have a lever to where it actually flips it out and you kind of put it in, different things. These have the little tabs at the bottom. So now let's pull this out, move it over to here. Make sure we got the grooves lined up. So we'll take up the film. Now we'll put the film in, kind of upside down, but you want it to where it's going to cross. There we got all the notches lined up, and it clicks in, pull it across. Put it in the slot. And we want to make sure we've got it kind of evened up on the edges here. It all looks well. Right now we're just winding paper. No film involved. Now at this point I'll close the back because it's going well. I'll open up the slot and I will continue winding. Now you'll see different things coming along. But you also notice this film numbering is down here in a kind of the lower right, whereas on an isolate it would be right here in the middle. And so that's the difference. You would have numbers for here and numbers for here. So we'll continue winding. Got an arrow, says keep going. Should come up with some dots there. They're stars. They get bigger star. Now we're at 1. I doubt that you can see that, but we are at 1. So now this camera's ready, loaded with film, and we're ready to go out and take some pictures. So that's it for this video. please, if you like this video, if you could take a subscription to see my other videos and ring that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And also, if you like this video, hey, give it a thumbs up. And so that's it for this one. Grab your camera and some film and get out and take some pictures. And I will see you in the next video.